Okay, start again.
This is Jacob arguing. He does it when his mom needs him to help.
Yep. I need lots of help, don't I?
And when Jacob helps, he gets the job done.
You sound like a commercial, Calvin.
It's finished now. You can cut now.
I'm cut? Okay.
Let's hear the video.
Well, here we are in January. And there's no snow. And is it warm out, boys?
No.
Okay, it is pretty warm. For this time of year, it's warm. And there's the wood I have left over. Some pallets. And that green thing is half full. Yeah, keep going, Jake. And
Right now I'm trying to make a fort.
Here, we're cleaning the furnace out. It's pretty full. It's hard to see. Yeah. Probably should have been not so hot in there. There it is, a year into it. And there is the shed, the tent. Because it's full. Good work, Jake. Okay, so here we are, all done. It's pretty smoky, but it was really fast with the boys. Lots of help from them, which is awesome. If I can get in here without choking. There it is. Yeah, and they're to put the auger on the ground because it's so hot. And this is the tent. One of those shelter logics, which looks big until you put wood in it, and then it gets really small.
How we get another of these? Jacob, we need it wider, so we need
Yeah, there it is, smoking away.
Back here.
Oh, I don't know if you can see down here, but this is the basement part. I don't think you can see anything. That kind of sucks. Let me grab a light. It doesn't work much better. Alright, so here it comes in from the window. You could go through your house, but that's stone, and I didn't want to go through the stone. So that's a window. Oops. It's been boarded up to let it in, and then it goes across into the other room. You kind of got to put it where it fits. This light back. A disaster down here. It's an unusable basement. So here it is. It comes into this. This is called a manifold. So it comes in here, and then it goes to the hot water tank and comes back again. And there's another one. It goes to the furnace and then comes back again. So there it is in that room. Hot water tank, all my junk in there. And then here's where it comes to my old furnace. Lighting is awful down here. Yeah, that's what it was before. Yeah. It's a rough furnace. Yeah, so that's about it for this video.